Hello everybody, my name is Splintercell, and today I'm doing something much more different than what I usually do. I'm going to do a react video. Now, today I'm reacting to MLG Thomas and the Sweg engine. Yeah, let's get this started.
Oliver and his brake van Toad liked working in the big yard, but one morning Toad noticed that Oliver was unhappy. He decided to find out why.
What is up with your noscopes? They are worse than Shrek. If you don't fix it, you'll be kicked off the XXX FazXXX clan Scrubble.
You're quite
Since when did the trains make it a weed factory?
right, Toad.
What's the base? Thomas the Tank and the Ripoff was wrecked by a scrub.
Oh, no, it's only 8 actually.
1723 to 1943.
But Connor's coming this weekend to spend the weekend.
But wait,
Just keep it 3.
we had to go deeper.
Yeah.
Even deeper.
They're so muscle brothers. It's ridiculous. Like, you know how to get into open fight? That's how
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's like.
I should try going inside.
All I do is smoke weed every day. I long for a nice no-scope. It's what a quick shot of all you need.
Okay then, mate. I will show you how to do a pro no-scope in Call of Duty. Cue the MLG intro.
Like,
Face! It's face! Who doesn't like face? It's correct. I'm recording you very much. You want? I'm going to rep. Well, you got right.
Nice.
But yeah guys, that was MLG Thomas and the Sweg engine. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to slap that like button. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you guys want me to do more react videos like this, be sure to comment below that I should. Also, if I sound very young, I am terribly sorry for how young I sound. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.